Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Discover the delightful experience of preparing water fufu, a truly versatile and light swallow food. This unique dish is renowned for its incredibly smooth, almost gelatinous texture, making it an ideal companion for rich, flavorful African soups and stews. It's surprisingly easy to make, and once you master this basic technique, you'll unlock a fantastic new staple for your culinary repertoire. Get ready to enjoy a taste of authentic tradition. To begin your water fufu journey, you'll be pleased to know the ingredient list is wonderfully short. You'll primarily need good quality fermented cassava flour, often labeled as fufu flour, and, of course, clean water. For equipment, grab a sturdy non-stick pot to prevent sticking, a strong wooden spoon or spatula for stirring, and a measuring cup to ensure precise ratios. That's truly all it takes to start crafting this delicious staple. The crucial first step to perfectly smooth water fufu is preparing your initial batter correctly. In your nonstick pot, combine your fermented cassava flour with a measured amount of cold water. Whisk this mixture thoroughly until you achieve a completely smooth, thin consistency, much like a very runny pancake batter. This careful blending ensures there are absolutely no lumps, which is vital for the next cooking stage and a truly silky end product. Now, place your pot of smooth batter over medium-low heat. The magic happens here with constant, vigorous stirring. As the mixture heats, you'll notice it gradually thickening and changing from a milky white to a more translucent, glossy appearance. Keep stirring without stopping, incorporating any lumps that form back into the main mass. Continue this process for about 10 to 15 minutes until the fufu becomes firm and pulls away cleanly from the sides of your pot. Your water fufu is perfectly cooked when it forms a unified, firm ball that cleanly detaches from the pot's surface. To serve, wet a spoon or small bowl and scoop out portions, shaping them neatly. Water fufu is best enjoyed while still warm, paired with a rich and flavorful soup like egusi, okra, or whatever your heart desires. It provides the ideal, light accompaniment, allowing you to fully savor every delicious mouthful of your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.